Just turned my gas valve off right here. I just broke the union loose right here. Right there. Made a little mess, but that's alright. Broke the union loose. Now this pipe is gonna come out, go down. Right there, all the way. All the way, look at this. Into the house. Into the house. Oh my Lord. Yeah, so we're gonna pull this out. We're gonna go under the sidewalk. We're gonna put a new one back in. But there it is. I'm talking 24 plus feet. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Okay, so let's show you where it's gotta go. What a job. What a job. My brother called me, thank goodness for a brother. He was my inspector over the phone. He told me that you're really gonna need to look at that gas pipe. Thank God he told me that, because this gas pipe is straight shot. Not even kidding. Look at this. It's like 65 years old. Done in late 50s. Okay, that being said, let's go look where we gotta take this pipe. Okay, right there's the window. Right there's the window. Now, to the pipe, to the bottom of the window is exactly 21. 21 inches to the top of that pipe. So, that would probably be 24 to the bottom of the pipe. Nope, 23 to the bottom, okay. Okay, now let's go and see where we gotta go with this. This is the part that really, absolutely bites. But, there's no way around it. Okay, watch this. There. Pencil mark, so 21. Right there, 21. Make your mark. Right there. Ugly little mark. That's it. Now, let me set up for this. Okay, we're gonna go 26. We're gonna be safe and go 26. Gives us room for elbow, pipe wrench, whatever. We'll go 25. I hate doing this. Could have brought big levels. I don't want to beat up the walls. I'm going to start with this. Start out over here. Oh man, you don't know how bad I don't want to do this to my house. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna turn the fan off so we don't have no blow by. Let me go get a drop cloth real quick. Here we go. This is how good we are. Look at this. Okay, now let me take this insulation off so we can see what we have. You see that this is insulated well. I'm gonna cut this insulation neatly. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna finish cutting this. Okay, I'm gonna fold this in and around so you can see my pipe. Now I see my pipe. There's a shut-off valve right there and an elbow. Look at this. I got an 8-inch air gap in my wall. Look at this. So here's what we're up against, everybody. Here's my pipe. You see how good we are. Yep. We're gonna hit that and see if we can get it, break it loose. See if we can get that baby to unthread and go from there. See how we can do this. For sure. It's in there. That's beautiful. She's beautiful. Hey, there's a union right there. So yeah, we should be able to do this, not a problem. Okay, let's do it. This house was well built. You got the pipe coming in the wall. You got a shut off. You got a union right there. Now that pipe goes up, and as you can see, I got an 8-inch wall barrier, and everything's clean and tight and nice. No cobwebs, nothing. And you can see that it's really insulated. But that's where she is. Let's go outside. Here's a real quick tour of this area. Look at this. It's a walk around. It's a walk around. Let me come up out of here. It's also a walkout basement. Come up out of here. We're gonna go over here. Since we got this unhooked, I'm gonna put a mark on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit her a couple times. See if we can get her to release. Yes. So now I pounded on the pipe a little bit. Look, I knocked all that shit off there. This. So what I'm trying to do, give her a pop through the concrete right here, just to loosen her up, see how that goes.